wel droog. Temperatuur rond de 13 graden Celsius. Ik hoop dat u een prettig vluchtvakantie heeft gehad. Ik wens u thuis nog een heel prettig verblijf. Dank u wel. Ladies and gentlemen, once again from Flight Deck Captain with the latest arrival information. At the moment we are already 40 minutes on the way and already halfway in our descent towards Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. The remaining flight time, somewhat less than 15 minutes, so expect to land at 5 to 12 local time in the morning. Another 10 minutes of taxi time after landing, so I do expect to arrive 5 past 12. To reach a parking position, which is 10 minutes behind scheduled arrival time. Because we are 10 minutes late, we also received the latest information concerning your connecting flight. All connections can be realized, however, we do have some short connections. The first short connecting flight is to Lisbon with KL 1695. You are requested to proceed straight to gate Charlie 9C9. Also the flight to Hanover, you are requested to proceed straight to the gate KL1. The KL 109 to Hanover, you are requested to proceed straight to B26. Flight to Detroit with KL 6120 or Delta 137. You are requested to proceed straight to gate Echo 19. Flight to Nairobi, also short connection. It's the KL 565. You are requested to proceed straight to gate Foxtrot 7. And last one is the flight to Los Angeles with the KL 603. You are requested to proceed straight to the gate Delta 3. As for the information we have, all other transfer connections are not short ones.